Rauva is a fintech company operating out of Lisbon, Portugal. They started producing AI content for their blog in October. So far, here's their growth curve. One interesting thing about Rauva is they wanted to target international markets in their SEO strategy, in specific the Portuguese market. This was the perfect case for journalist AI, since it's able to produce content in over 150 different languages, Portuguese included. I will show you step-by-step process how Rauva, a fintech company, did it. They used this software called tryjournalist.com and the type of articles you can generate using this software. I'm going to show you right here for the dog grooming niche. These are all done with AI. The featured image, the interactive table of content here, the in-article images. These are all done with AI. This one looks quite real, the content itself. Right? Bullets, quotes, internal links. So these are in-article internal links in article videos, right? These are videos that are relevant to the content. Is about more links here, external and internal links, more content, more of this, and down here, tables and also conclusion section, then an FAQ section down here. So it can also give you the meta description, all this done with that. I can just scheme through all these articles and post them straight to my integration. My integration, by the way, integration can be anything. Like if I could just go here and click New Integration, I can connect this with my WordPress site, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, or even Zapier, or an external API. And so what you do is you simply just go here to generate articles. Now there's all of these steps you need to fill, right? And then once you do, just select how many articles you want, click Generate Now. Again once, and I'll show you how this is done once they're done generating again. You can publish them like so one by one, or you can just go here and publish them all to your integration, in this case all the three. Now if you want to automate the process, you just go here to Auto Blogs, click New, Auto Blog, right? And select how many articles you want to generate and post every single month, week, day, or every 12 or 6 hours. So once you do this right, you're connecting Journalist AI, your site again, could it be WordPress, Shopify blog, or Wix? And every 6 hours in this case, 40 articles will be published to your blog. And if we expand on these articles right, these will all have a featured image, table of contents in article, images in article videos, bullets, tables, quotes, internal links, external links, call to action, conclusions. And by the way, the internal links will link out to your homepage. They will link out to your context page, maybe some blog posts. Internal links, if this article is about finance, for example, they'll link out to maybe Wikipedia, maybe TechCrunch. So all this done automatically for you. In this case, most people just do 5 a week. But you can play around with this and change it however you like. So this is how you automate the whole process. Essentially, Journalist AI is generating plus publishing content to your site also. It does the content indexing, if you like, plus it also does keyword research for you. Indexing quite simple. You just go here to indexers, set it up, and essentially all the content that's produced, it's going to be automatically sent to Google to index faster. And keyword researchers go here, add in here. Your site, your URL, of course, add the country, add the language as well, and it will give you a bunch of keywords that have low SEO difficulties they are easy to rank for in theory and some decent search volumes. You can just save this monitor and have Journalist AI produce content based and tailored to these keywords. Again, with images, videos, links, all this done for you on autopilot. Now, again, the way you do this, just go here to generate articles and you fill all this up, right? Do you want videos in your articles? Just enable this. Then do you want images? You want featured images? Yes. You want in-article images? Enable this. What type of images you want? You want stock photos, Google Images. You want to use your own custom images because you can upload your own images, your own branded images, and use them in your articles if you like, right? Or if you want to use AI-based images, you can just choose any of these 3 models. If you do choose AI images, you can play around with this and add prompts, right? You can make them hyper-realistic, cartonic black and white, Simpson style, I mean, you can play around with this whatever you like. Then, here is where we add your internal and external links. So again, in your article, there's going to have links inside of it, and you want to make sure that some of them are internal and some of them are external. You can play around with this. Now, structure, here's where you can enable all these sections, key takeaways, conclusion, FAQ. You can automate your headings, or you can do the headings manually if you like, and you can add as many as you want. You can also select the size of the article: small, medium, large. Again, you can play around with this and also add a call to action. So again, on the articles at the bottom, there's going to be a call to action section. So for example, this is an article about gardening that talks about gardening supplies down here. We're going to add a link to your Shopify store or your product page of your store that sells those same supplies. You do this by adding here your Shopify URL. Formatting. You can just bold words if you want. Knowledge is where you connect the AI to the internet to make sure that it produces up-to-date content. You can also connect it with your brand, so the content produced is brand-tailored, using your own brand's images, your brand's tone of voice, your brand's mannerism, so essentially, so that the content isn't just some generic AI stuff, it is brand-tailored. Here in this tab, you can just select the language you want. You can select from over 150 different languages. Pretty powerful. You can select the creativity levels as well. This will depend on how you want your brand to be perceived. Change the tone of voice, change the point of view as well. And up here is the final thing. You can just select generation mode. You want to generate the articles based on the description. You want to generate the articles based on keywords, based on titles, or based on the keyword research. In this case, the keyword monitor, which just saw before. Once that's done, you just select the articles you want, generate, click generate. And that's done. That's essentially exactly how this guy did it, right? All the things you see here, all this was done using Journalist AI with an auto blog. He had an auto blog up and running. It was published 1,000 articles in a month. Not too sure. I think it does go over that in here, but again, I'll link it down below. So yeah, essentially that's it. So that's it. Sign up for Journalist AI and create your amazing articles for free. Link is in video description and pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.